back to my channel. It's Bree TV. If you're new here, I am Bree, your Pasha second trust hold as reaction last videos. And today we're reacting to, I want to say it's either XIKers or XIKers. It's basically, if you knew who KQ FELLAZ 2 was, they were the new training group that was under KQ. KQ Entertainment, the company that ATEEZ is from. It's basically ATEEZ little brothers. They just got a name, I think, a month ago. So they went from KQ FELLAZ 2 to, I want to say XIKers, or I want to say it's XIKers or XIKers, but XIKers makes more sense. I don't know. But we're reacting to House of Tricky Doorbell Ringing preview. The K-pop store is doing an event for them on Friday as I'm filming this, so I'm very excited. I saw them live, y'all. I saw them at ATEEZ concert in General Mission, borderline near the very front, like what, 5 rows back. They're so good. They're amazing performers. Like, KQ does not fail when it comes to their trainees in boy groups. I would love to see a girl group come from KQ. I could really see them on like some Dreamcatcher type shit. Like, I would love to see a girl group come from KQ, but I don't know if they're planning to ever do a girl group. But if you have a bias already, comment down below. I don't have a solidified bias yet. We gonna figure that out by like within the next month, because I think I'm gonna get the album, depending if this preview hits or not. You know, it probably will. It's KQ. But yeah, comment down below your bias or potential bias line, favorite cover I guess they've done, or performance. And yeah, let's get into the video. I love KQ's logo, but it's so different. Oh, I just realized they have I just realized they have, I've always been watching this and I never actually look at the blocks. I never realized there are groups that are under KQ are on these blocks. I've never noticed that. I don't know if that's always been like that, but I never noticed ATEEZ Block B were on there. So I don't know if this is new, but seeing like this group now on the blocks as well is kind of cute and like kind of does something for me, because I'm like, oh, has it always been like that? Maybe because I'm always watching on a TV, so I'm not this close to looking at it. I would say it feels like a story. Like, I was about to say it feels like some weird, like, kind of Disney-esque movie. Like, you know, like Tangled, where it starts kind of like a darker kind of sound, or at least story of Rapunzel. This is like where it's like you see Mother Gothel like stealing the flower and all the kind of intense music, taking the baby. It gives me that kind of vibe of like it's introducing me to this like kind of weird story, fairy tale. This is so interesting. It gives like fairy tale. It's literally giving fairy tale, like story time. The tricky secret. He literally looked like HYUNWOO from the back. What the fuck? That literally looked like HYUNWOO from the back. That literally gave HYUNWOO vibes. That's so creepy. Okay. So this gives me Eternal Sunshine Subway.
And hate for its unceasing moves.
I'm so confused. He looks kind of hard too. Oh, whose voice is that? Why does it remind me of? Is it Sungwoo or Yuno? I can't figure out whose voice mainly that reminds me of, but that voice right there reminds me a little bit of Sungwoo or Yuno. What the fuck? I would love to see a video of like ATEEZ mentoring them. I don't know. It's just thought. And then Doorbell Ringing. Oh. That's not all what I thought we were going to change into. Okay, that little part ruined it for me. I don't know. I think I'm used to their voices. YECHAN, I think is his name. He's so talented, but his voice definitely still sounds like he's going through puberty. And he is a child, so like it makes sense. But I'm like, oh. That kind of threw me off, because like I'm hearing this like kind of angelic, sent from heaven, eargasm voice. I hope the voice that did it was at least an adult, otherwise I tape out the word eargasm. But and then we kind of switched to a more like, okay, it's not bad, it's just it definitely took me by surprise. it definitely kind of changed the vibe for me for a second, and I was like, oh, this is what's happening now. Okay. That walk up was very like SEEUN, you know. Oh, okay, stage presence. It's the facial expression. Don't kill my. Okay. It was the. Didn't I tell y'all? Didn't I tell y'all? Oh my god. That was, I like that part. I like that part. It's okay. They took me again. I definitely think I want to get this mini album. Okay, well, this, whatever. Okay. Fuck, his stage presence is crazy. He looks kind of crazy, and I love it for this. Okay, title track is Tricky House. It was the wink. I love this song so. I can't wait for the music video. I mean, this is just reminding me I need to listen to Tricky House again. What vibe is this giving me? It reminds me, is it reggaeton or Afrobeats? I don't think so, but it gives kind of that like, definitely not Afrobeats, maybe reggaeton. I don't know, it has a little bit more like, that beat back there was kind of like, it gave me kind of like more, I don't know. I'm so confused. Have I mentioned I love KQ? Because one thing they gonna do, they're not gonna give you 2 songs of their debut. No, they're gonna give you songs. And I love that. This is really cute. Okay. We're in uniforms, question mark? Oh, you're not gonna, okay. It's a double title. That sounds so much like Jung. We're getting a double title track, y'all. I think last time they gave us a double title track was AT's Fever Part 1 with Inception and Thanks. No. Yes. I'm so confused. Why does that kind of hit? Okay. It's the vocalist for me. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait for color coded. What the fuck? What? 6 songs? I don't know what to say. What the fuck? Okay. I'm not laughing because it's funny. It was the ra-ta-ta, ooh la la la. Okay. Ra-ta-ta-ta, ooh la la la. The choreography hits though. No, wait, hold up. Period. 7 songs. I know ATEEZ is proud because come on, vocals. This kid's so 8. Who was that? Whose voice was that? Whose voice was that? Stop showing me him. He's such a great performer. What the fuck? He moves so fluid. It was the boom thing. Oh my gosh. I think that was Hunter. Oh, the 30th cannot come fast enough. What the fuck? It was really good. It was like really good. It was almost a tricky secret to giving Lord of the Rings. I don't know what to say. Like KQ, fucking, they never cease to amaze me. What the fuck? They never disappoint me. Hyunwoo had a panda in the out. Okay, now that makes me want to cry. Oh my god, I didn't realize it said Hyunwoo had a part in the. Okay. Okay, I feel like kind of proud. This is crazy. I'm so excited. Wow. I want to claim every song as my song. Oh my god, that was amazing. Okay, yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm kind of speechless. What did y'all think? Yeah, yeah. I'll see you next video. Peace.